I have a weakness that made me lose time and money in this challenge. This week, we sold episode 7's Spalding tournaments for $55. So I thought that I would just wait for everything currently posted to sell to reach our $500 target. But let me remind you that we're trying to go from $10 to $500 under 10 hours of work during the golf off season. Being that there's under 2 weeks left before the golf season starts, I got nervous and I brought all my prices down, therefore making me worried that I wouldn't reach our $500 target. So today, I went out again and bought myself 2 new putters. First one, wait for it, a Nike Method Core with its original grip. As you know, Nike doesn't produce golf clubs anymore, so people are looking for them. This one is in very great shape, but still needs a little cleanup. The grip is dirty and it needs a little polish, but this should be a quick flip. The second one is yet another Ping Karsten. So here we have a Ping Anser 1. I got this for $50, but it's new. The owner has never used it. And here's my weakness. I can't just buy and resell for higher. It makes me feel like I'm removing the opportunity to someone less fortunate to get a good club. I want to profit from my flips, but I want to profit for working on them. The only thing is that I have no idea what I can do on a brand new putter. So I might just clean it up because you can tell it was stored on a concrete floor, and maybe add some color to the lettering. So technically, I'm going to be losing time in this challenge just to feel better about myself. Let's head to the Shining Shack to give this Nike putter its mirror shine back. I think this was my quickest flips yet. These 2 putters took me 9 minutes and I'm sweating. I know I said I would mirror shine this Nike putter, but after putting it under the first wheel, I thought this brushed look was so much better, and I saved so much time not mirror shining it. As for the Ping, well, I really just cleaned it and added some red details. I don't know if I feel better about it. So I'm gonna post the Nike putter at $130. Don't tell anyone, but I will accept any offer over $80, considering I spent maybe 6 minutes on it. And the Ping putter, I'm gonna be posting for $90, but will accept anything over $70. So stay tuned to know how fast they go and for how much. See you next time.